Ready to draw Pandy Paws with sparkly colors and fun? Let's get started with Boo Boo Productions. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more fun videos on our channel.
Lines on paper start to grow. Shapes and shades begin to show. Colors blend, they start to flow, creating worlds I get to know. Sketching dreams with every stroke. In this silence, hope invokes. From a blank sheet, life awoke. In my art, I find my spoke. Drawing my dreams, sketching my life. Every line cuts like a knife. Drawing my dreams in black and white, bringing colors into...
Awesome job with the sketch! Now it's time to bring Pandy to life with color.
Red finger here to boot play. Blue joins right away. Yellow finger waves too high. Green pops up, oh my, oh my. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Orange finger starts to spin. Purple joins with a grin. Colors dance, what a sight. Emily laughs with delight. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Rainbow bridge, up so high. Jump to reach it in the sky. Mix the colors, make some new. What's your favorite? Tell me too. All fingers wave goodbye. Colors shine in the sky. Emily learned and played. What a fun, colorful day. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray.
Wow, the colors look great! But you know what would make it even better? Let's add some sparkly glitter magic. Wasn't it amazing? If you had fun, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun with Boo Boo Productions. And don't forget to watch more awesome videos on our channel.